Hi, friends. Good morning. How are you today? I am so excited to see you. Are you ready to start our day together? Okay, stand on your feet and we're going to say the Pledge of Allegiance together. Left hand by your side, right hand over your heart. Ready? Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Incredible, my friends. Go ahead and take a seat. Can anyone remind me, what month are we in? May! That's exactly right. We're in the month of May. And let me ask you a question. Are we at the beginning of the month, or are we at the end of the month of May? We're at the end of the month of May, which means at the end of this week, we're going to start a new month. But we're going to talk about what that month is called next week. So, because we're at the end of the month, we're going to need to count a lot of numbers. Are you ready? Let's take a deep breath together. Are you ready to count? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Today is May 26th. And this is what a 26 looks like, friends. It's a 2 and a 6. And we're going to put it right next to 25 on our calendar. Now, let's figure out what the day of the week is today. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We're going to go to the 26th, and we're going to go up, all the way to the top. And we see that today's day of the week starts with a T sound. What day of the week starts with a T sound? Tuesday. That's exactly right. Today is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. Now, friends, what I need you to do is you're going to stand on your feet and you're going to go and look out your window and see what the weather is like today at your house. Are you all done? Okay, come back and sit down. What is the weather like today at your house? Oh, really? That's exciting. Well, at Miss Corinne's house today, I have the windows open because it is so pretty outside. I don't see any clouds, and it is bright, and very warm. What do we call that when there's no clouds in the sky and it's very bright outside? Raining? Snowing? You're right. At Miss Corinne's house today, it is super sunny, and it's starting to feel a lot like summer. So we're going to put that up under our weather. Can anyone remind me what vowel we are studying this week? Last week we studied A, but this week we're studying what vowel? Oh, E. Does anyone remember the two different sounds the letter E can make that make it a vowel? You're right. E can say the short sound, but it can also make a long sound and say the letter's name. What is this letter's name? E. So when it says the long sound, it says E. And we're going to review some of those words that you talked about with Miss Callie yesterday that start with a short E sound and start with a long E sound. Okay, so our short E words are elephant, egg, and elf. Our long E words are eagle, eel, and ear. Incredible, my friends. So, we know that the letter E can make two different sounds, the short and the long E sound. Okay, friends. Wow, your brains just did so much work. Do you think we should take a brain break? I do too. Why don't we do something that starts with that E sound. What about the holiday Easter? Who comes to visit us on Easter, friends? Santa Claus? You're right. The Easter Bunny comes to visit us on Easter. So what if we do some Easter Bunny hops? Are you ready? And we're going to do the number 12 because in a few minutes we're going to talk about the number 12, okay? Are you ready? Okay. Get your bunny paws ready. You're going to hop up and down 12 times, so we're going to count together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Are you out of breath? Okay, come back and sit down. Can anybody tell me who this is? Donald Trump, that's exactly right. And who is Donald Trump, my friends? The President of the United States. And do you remember, where does the President live? He lives in the White House. And the White House is in Washington, D.C., which is Washington, D.C. really close to us or really far away from us? Really close to us, you're exactly right. So we live really close to where the President lives. Can anybody tell me what country we live in? The United States of America. And what state do we live in, friends? It's all the way over here. And it's tiny and purple. Maryland, that's exactly right. Do you remember what this state is down here? Florida. What about this one? Texas, the one all the way over here. California, Washington, Tennessee, and then the pink one where Miss Megan lives is Virginia. You guys, so smart. So, Miss Corinne said that we were going to talk about the number 12 today. So friends, do you remember, how do we write the number 12? What two numbers do we use when we're writing the number 12? A 1 and a 2. A 1 and a 2. So, we know that the number 12 looks just like this. A 1 and a 2. And this, my friends, is how you write the word 12. Can we clap it out together? Are you ready? T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. This is the word 12. So a 1 and a 2 make 12. And another name for 12 is a dozen. And you hear the word a dozen talked about a lot when you're talking about food. You can order a dozen donuts, which means you're getting 12 donuts. You can order a dozen cupcakes. You can order a dozen cookies. You can order a dozen of a lot of things. But do you know there's something that I'm pretty sure every single one of you has that's a dozen in your house? Do you know what these are? This is a dozen eggs. And how many eggs are in a dozen? Should we count to find out? Are you ready? Yes, I know they're colorful. They're Easter eggs, they're pretend. But you know, colorful. Ready? Let's count how many eggs are in a dozen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many eggs are in a dozen, friends? 12. So this is what a dozen or 12 looks like. It's 2 rows of 6. And that is a dozen eggs. Okay, friends. I hope you have the most amazing day. And I will see you